guys, today we're going to talk about iOS 19. As of the filming of this video, we are approximately 5 months away from iOS 19 Beta 1. And yes, every year, the first week or second week of June, Apple would host WWDC, the Worldwide Developers Conference. And at this conference, Apple usually showcases their next major update. And this year, obviously, that's going to be iOS Command 2. And we have some exclusive details that we obtained of some of the features and changes that are coming to iPhone with their next major update. There's been some crazy leaks happening over the past several days and weeks that I wanted to share this information with you guys. Let's go ahead and dive right in. Well, based on the first day, what I talked about is device support. Will your iPhone support iOS 19? And this is one of the biggest questions every year, right? You want to know if your iPhone will support the next major update. And according to French website iPhone Sought, which has a pretty decent track record of predicting exactly which devices will be supported by Apple's next major update, they accurately predicted iOS 17 devices, iOS 18 devices. And here's the way this report, listen to this, that they say that every iPhone capable of running iOS 18 should be capable of running iOS 19, and this is unprecedented. This is crazy. This will be more than 7 years of software support. We're talking iPhone XR, launched in 2018, iPhone 11, launched in 2019. So basically, every iPhone running iOS 18, according to this report, should be compatible with iOS 19 come June 2025. So this is kind of crazy. This is the first news that I wanted to share with you guys because that is a lot of iPhones that goes all the way back to 7 years. So now let's get to some of the juicy stuff, some of the latest features that we're hoping to see and are rumored to be coming to iPhone with iOS 19. So first I want to talk about Siri because I feel like every single year we hear the same rumors. Siri will finally get smarter, and we did start with the still mode Siri. Now, to be fair, with iOS 18, Siri is now more capable. She can understand more what's happening on your device. We have the new Siri UI, more capabilities continue to be added with more releases of iOS 18. Now, also the larger Apple Intelligence and other large language models has been integrated, such as ChatGPT. It is rumored that Apple will be adding more of these large language models to the operating system for users to have the option to choose if you want to choose another large language model other than ChatGPT. So, for example, perhaps Google Gemini may also be coming to iPhone as a third-party option for large language models. But the rumor indicates that Apple is working on their very own large language model does Siri LLM. So it's Siri finally that's smarter and integrated within iOS. Obviously, iPhone users would default to using Siri, and that's what Apple definitely wants. So having the ability to have a third-party large language models integrated within Apple Intelligence is a great idea, but obviously the main goal with Apple's Siri is to make Siri the actual LLM default on your device so that you don't have to use other services. So this year, it looks like Siri may finally it's smarter. Now, CarPlay 2.0 may finally be arriving to iPhone with iOS 19, and we have the first official leaked images of the brand new Apple widget UI for CarPlay 2.0. As you see right here, Apple is working on a very similar widget UI for CarPlay 2.0 for the center and the passenger displays. As you see here, you can add the widgets. You have different options for clocks, weather forecast, events, calendars. Obviously, you have the standard utilities here as well for navigation to now playing on media controls. You can make these widgets larger or smaller. So the widget UI for CarPlay 2.0 has officially leaked, and it appears that Apple will be launching this year with iOS 19. Now, next up, when I talk about the Edge new camera design, it's been leaked for iOS 19. Now, according to John Prosser over on Front Page Tech, he's claimed to actually seen the camera app for iOS 19 in action. Now, if you know anything about Vision OS, you know that this directly resembles a Vision OS UI right here. So everything looks very Vision OS-like, and we've seen a little bit of Vision OS sprinkled through iOS. For example, in Messages, if you tap on the plus icon to bring up the sub-menu, this is a Vision OS inspired, in my opinion, round icons, sort of that glassy look. So according to John Prosser, this could perhaps be a new camera app design coming to iPhone with iOS 19. Let me know what you think about this one in those comments down below. And then there's battery intelligence. Now, remember when this was first referenced within iOS 18.2, Apple was rumored to be working on what's called battery intelligence. Now, this feature, again, was first referenced within iOS 18.2, and it hasn't been made available just yet. And now I've been told that this feature isn't a feature that's going to be coming to Apple Intelligence with iOS 18, but rather there's an iOS 19 feature, and take a look at what that looks like. So right there, we've put together this really cool concept here, iOS 19 concept by my graphic designer again, links down below. But yeah, battery intelligence reportedly coming to iOS 19 and not iOS 18. Apple is just simply testing this right now, and it could be coming with iOS 19. Now, when all that being said, when do we expect Apple to release the first beta for iOS 19? Well, if history is any indication, we typically see the first beta for Apple's next major operating system, the first or second week of June, obviously at WWDC. Now, if history is an indication, I believe from June 9th through June 13th is when Apple will be hosting WWDC 2025. Now, Apple has not confirmed this just yet. This is my best guess. So on Monday, June 9th, I think that is when we'll see the first beta for iOS 19, iOS 19 developer beta 1. Now, iOS 19, the official final release won't happen until September 2025, but we're nearly 5 months away from the first beta, perhaps on June 9th. I can't wait to see what Apple has to store. These are some of the latest leads, some information with in regards to iOS 19. A lot of things happening right now. I'll continue to update you guys with more videos as more information becomes available. Thank you for watching today's video, lads. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys on that one.